Hi, everyone, and welcome to Work Solutions LLC. Today, we'll unravel the secrets of crafting a personal statement that leaves a lasting impression. Whether you're applying for college, graduate school, or a job, a well-crafted personal statement is your ticket to standing out in a sea of applicants. So, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of creating your winning personal statement. First things first, what exactly is a personal statement? A personal statement is more than just a document. It's your chance to introduce yourself beyond the numbers and qualifications. Think of it as your personal elevator pitch. To begin, you should understand your audience. Do this by researching the institution or company you're applying to. What are their values? What are they looking for in a candidate? Tailor your personal statement to align with their expectations and values. For instance, if you're applying to a college with a strong emphasis on community service, emphasize your own experiences in volunteering or community involvement. Show them that you share their values. Second, structure matters. A well-organized personal statement should have a clear beginning, middle, and end. Start with a captivating hook to grab the reader's attention. Move on to the body, where you delve into your experiences, and wrap it up with a strong conclusion that leaves a lasting impression. Third, show, don't just tell. Avoid merely listing qualities. Instead, show examples that demonstrate your skills and character. Use specific anecdotes and experiences to make your personal statement memorable and authentic. Example: rather than saying I'm a team player, provide a specific example of a collaborative project you worked on, highlighting how your contributions made a significant impact on the team's success. Fourth, be genuine. Authenticity is the key to a successful personal statement. Be honest about your achievements, challenges, and aspirations. This authenticity helps you connect with your audience on a deeper level. If you've faced challenges, be open about them. Maybe you had a difficult semester due to personal reasons. Acknowledge it, but focus on how you overcame those challenges and emerged stronger. Fifth, highlight your achievements, but do so strategically. Discuss relevant accomplishments, skills, and experiences that make you the ideal candidate. Quantify your successes whenever possible, and showcase how you've made a positive impact. For example, if you're applying for a business program, instead of saying I have strong leadership skills, provide a specific achievement, like led a team project that resulted in a 20% increase in sales. Sixth, address weaknesses. Don't shy away from addressing weaknesses. If there are gaps in your academic or professional history, briefly explain them and focus on what you've learned and how you've grown from those experiences. Seventh, talk about your future goals. Whether it's pursuing higher education, contributing to a specific field, or excelling in a particular role, make sure to express your vision for the future. Once you've written your personal statement, it's time for a professional touch. Consider seeking guidance from Dr. Taylor, a certified career coach who specializes in crafting compelling personal statements. Click the link in the description box to book a free consultation. In conclusion, crafting a personal statement is an opportunity to showcase your unique story and convince others why you're the right fit. Take your time, be genuine, and remember that revisions are your best friend. Best of luck in creating your outstanding personal statement. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more valuable content. Good luck with your personal statement, and we'll see you in the next video.